The best apps for budgeting and expense tracking in 2025. Managing finances in 2025 has never been easier, thanks to the power of budgeting and expense tracking apps. Whether you're looking to save money, manage your debt, or simply track your spending, there's an app for every need. In this video, we're going to walk you through the best apps for budgeting and expense tracking in 2025. Stay tuned to find out which app can help you take control of your financial future. Why budgeting and expense tracking matter. Budgeting and expense tracking aren't just for those with financial problems. They're for everyone who wants to optimize their spending, achieve their financial goals, and make smarter decisions. By understanding where your money goes, you can start saving, investing, and planning for a better financial future. These apps help you automate the process, so you don't have to spend time manually tracking every penny. But with so many options available, how do you know which one will best fit your lifestyle? That's exactly what we'll explore in this video. Criteria for selecting the best apps. When choosing the best budgeting and expense tracking apps, we considered a few essential criteria. User-friendly interface. The easier the app is to use, the more likely you'll stick with it. Features. Things like expense tracking, goal setting, bill reminders, and more. Integration with bank accounts and credit cards. A good app should connect seamlessly with your accounts for automatic updates. Security and privacy. Financial apps need to be safe and secure to protect your sensitive data. Pricing. Is the app free, or is there a subscription? Does it offer value for the cost? Based on these criteria, here are the top 5 apps for budgeting and expense tracking in 2025. Top 5 Budgeting and Expense Tracking Apps of 2025. 1. Honeydue. Honeydue is a great app designed specifically for couples. It allows you and your partner to track shared expenses, set budgets, and keep tabs on all your finances in one place. Whether you're splitting rent, groceries, or simply want to stay on top of your individual expenses, Honeydue helps you keep everything transparent and organized. Pros. Great for couples who want to track shared expenses. Provides a clear overview of both individual and joint finances. Allows bill reminders and syncing with bank accounts. Cons. Some features, like premium customer support, are only available on the paid version. Best for couples looking to manage joint expenses easily. 2. YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB is known for its proactive approach to budgeting. Unlike other apps, it follows a zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar has a job. YNAB encourages you to allocate funds for your priorities, such as savings, bills, or debt repayment, ensuring that you never overspend. Pros. Ideal for zero-based budgeting. Helps users pay off debt quickly and save money effectively. Intuitive interface with educational resources. Cons. It comes with a subscription fee, but offers a free trial. Can be overwhelming for beginners due to its detailed approach. Best for users who want a structured and disciplined budgeting system. 3. PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a simplified budgeting app that focuses on helping you manage your spending by showing you how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills and goals. It's perfect for people who want to take a step back from complicated spreadsheets and focus on just the essentials. Pros. Simple, easy-to-use interface. Automatically categorizes expenses for a quick overview. Offers bill tracking and financial goal setting. Cons. Limited advanced features compared to other apps. Some users may find the free version too basic. Best for people who need a simple app to manage spending without too much complexity. 4. GoodBudget. GoodBudget follows an envelope budgeting system where you allocate a certain amount of money for different spending categories. It's perfect for people who want to have a hands-on approach to managing their money. You can plan ahead, set savings goals, and track how much you're spending on each category. Pros. Envelope system works great for those who want manual control. No bank account syncing needed. Multi-device syncing for easy tracking. Cons: doesn't offer automatic transaction import. May not be ideal for people who want an app to do most of the work for them. Best for users who prefer manual input and a more traditional approach to budgeting. 5. Empower. Empower is a powerful app that's focused on investment tracking, net worth management, and all-around financial wellness. It allows you to track not just your spending, but also your investments, credit score, and overall financial health, making it ideal for people who want a holistic view of their finances. Pros: great for users who want to track investments and net worth. Provides insights into your overall financial health. Offers budgeting and expense tracking as part of a larger financial management suite. Cons: more suitable for people with existing investments. Some advanced features require a subscription. Best for people looking for a comprehensive financial app with a focus on investments and wealth management. Comparison of features. Let's break down some of the key features across these apps. Expense tracking. All apps offer some level of expense tracking, but Honeydue and PocketGuard make it easy by automatically syncing with your bank accounts. Budgeting flexibility. YNAB is perfect for people who want detailed, goal-oriented budgeting, while GoodBudget offers a more manual, envelope-style approach. Investment tracking. If you're looking for investment tracking, Empower is the best choice, followed by YNAB for budgeting and savings. Ease of use. For beginners, PocketGuard and Honeydue are the most user-friendly, while YNAB offers more advanced features for those willing to invest time into mastering it. How to choose the right app for you? Choosing the best budgeting and expense tracking app comes down to what your financial goals are. If you're a couple, Honeydue might be the best for you. If you want a more detailed, goal-focused approach, YNAB could be your perfect match. For a simple, no-fuss experience, PocketGuard is ideal, while GoodBudget works best if you prefer a more hands-on, traditional envelope system. Lastly, if you want to keep track of your investments and net worth along with your daily expenses, Empower is the way to go. Bonus tips for successful budgeting. Set realistic goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt, set achievable goals to stay motivated. Regularly, track and review spending. Make it a habit to check your spending weekly or monthly to make adjustments as needed. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings accounts so you're consistently saving money. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you find the perfect app to take control of your finances in 2025. Remember, budgeting and expense tracking are the first steps toward achieving your financial goals. Which app are you most excited to try out? And what features do you think will help you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money effectively. Until next time, stay financially savvy